Hey guys, today's video is going to be like a little chit chat, get ready with me, I guess. Sure, that's what we're going to call it. I'm going to be trying out a new foundation from CoverGirl. Well, new to me. I think this came out within the last like 2 months, I think. It's the CoverGirl Outlast Active 24-Hour Foundation. I don't know who would want to wear a foundation for 24 hours. I don't know, maybe if you're traveling, like overseas. I don't know. I don't know who the hell would want to wear a foundation for 24 hours. This says up to 24-hour wear that won't let you down. Sweat-proof, transfer-proof, humidity-proof. Oil-free, it won't clog pores. Dermatologist tested, suitable for all skin types. This is what it looks like. At my Walgreens, they didn't have any colors left, so I got 825 Buff Beige. It might be a little too dark, but we're gonna work with it. I have already moisturized my face with this amazingness. So this is the e.l.f. Glow Radiant Moisturizer. It has coconut and hyaluronic acid and also SPF 15. I randomly saw this in Walmart on an end cap. It was the only one left and I'm like, what is this? I need to try it. The packaging drew me in. This is amazing. It was $8. No, I think it was $10. But it is such a good moisturizer. First of all, it smells amazing. It smells like coconut. I feel like this is a perfect anytime moisturizer, but specifically a summertime moisturizer. It moisturizes your skin with like a subtle dewy glow. It is so nice. Oh, actually, this color match might not be as bad as I thought. Take this sponge, Real Technique sponge. I don't know what brand it is. Just a sponge, and we're gonna just buff it out. Like one coat would be good for the summertime. Like I don't like to wear a lot on my face in the summertime. I usually stick to BB creams, but I don't know. I feel like one coat of this, wow, it like sinks into your pores like instantly. I feel like one coat of this would be good for the summertime. All right, let's just try to build it up though for the sake of this video. I've always had really good luck with CoverGirl foundations. I don't think I've tried one that I didn't like. This isn't really covering the dark circles under my eyes though. Abilene was up. Someone's knocking on my door. Abilene was up last night. She got up at midnight, she got up at 3 a.m. and then again at 6 a.m. because her cough is just so bad. And it sucks because there's nothing you can do for a 4-month-old that has a cough. I mean, like medicine-wise. Like we're doing everything that, you know, you're supposed to do. She sleeps on an incline. We have a humidifier. I'm sucking the boogers out of her nose. You know, I'm keeping everything clear or trying to. But there's no like cough medicine aside from Zarbee's, but Zarbee's really isn't doing shit. So yeah, I really like this foundation. I'm gonna put on some concealer though, because like I said, my under eye circles are a little crazy. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It is kind of light, but you know, we're gonna work with it. On some Rimmel Stay Matte powder. On my lips, I'm gonna put the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Queen Bee. I like to do stuff out of order. Most people would do lips like last, but I've already done mascara. I use the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I freaking love this stuff so much. So we went to Walmart this morning, and as we were getting out of the car, like literally as I was about to take the kids out of the car, Emily goes, Mama, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm like, no. And she ended up puking all over her clothes. Luckily, I brought a change of clothes. Like I rarely bring a change of clothes for Emmeline and Sorella. It's usually just Abilene. Luckily, I had a change of clothes though, so that was fun. Not. Seems fine, she's acting fine. She doesn't have a fever or anything, so I'm hoping it was just like, I don't know, she had like an upset belly and the car ride kind of got to her. Like our Walmart's like 20 minutes away and the roads are kind of bumpy, so I'm hoping that's what it was, because we don't need a stomach virus going through this house. I probably just jinxed myself, crossing my fingers, knocking on wood. Emily just got over an ear infection. Sorella had a cold. Abilene has bronchitis to give her nebulizer treatments. I just got over strep throat. My mom has bronchitis now. Like everyone, my mother-in-law had a cold too. Lewis has a cold, forgot about that. The only one that hasn't gotten sick is Brady. Knocking on wood so hard that I'm gonna knock my camera over. Hope he doesn't get anything. So yeah, it's just been horrible. Like we've been sick, it's just been really horrible. I'm gonna touch up my brows a little bit. I did them like lightly this morning before we went out. All right, can you even tell I did anything? Probably not. should we do, yeah, let's do eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Profusion Bare Eyes palette. And yeah, I'm just gonna do like one color on my lid. I'm gonna do this color, Glitter Rock. This one right here, it's so pretty. So basketball is over. Some of you guys probably know that I coach my son's basketball team. That's over. We had our championship game on Saturday. We finished first place, like the whole season, like out of the whole season, we were first place. And then we had one semifinal game Saturday morning. We won that, and then we went to the championship later in the day, and we lost by 2 points. I am so sad for my team, but I'm also so proud of them because they played like a team. Like, they did awesome. I think everyone on my team scored. The other team, one player scored 27 of their 36 points. So yeah, I told my team, like, you guys gotta be proud of yourselves because you guys played like a team. I'm not liking this lip color though. I think I'm gonna take it off. In my last Get Ready With Me, I did a little ColourPop haul and I showed you guys a palette that I got from them. It's all the way across the room. But I showed you guys a palette that I got from them and it came damaged. Well, I emailed them and they are sending me a replacement palette, which is awesome. And it only took them like 2 days to get back to me too, like when I contacted them. So awesome. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get the replacement palette. We'll see. I'm really considering getting lash extensions. That would make my life so much easier. Are they like a lot of maintenance? How often do you have to get refills? If you guys, refills, is that what they're even called? A fill? Is it called a fill? Like your nails? Like when you get your nails done, you get a fill? If any of you guys have lash extensions, you should comment down below and let me know if they're worth it. Maybe that'll be a birthday gift to myself. My birthday is in 3 weeks. Guys, I'm gonna be 34. Ugh. I still feel, most of the time, I still feel like I'm like 21. Like, honestly. I'm gonna put this on my lips. This is the Tarteist Lip Paint in Insta Famous. Just a little something on the lips. Yeah, this is my finished look. This is kind of like an everyday look, although I don't wear eyeshadow every day. As for the foundation, that was the whole point of this video. I'm liking it. I think the color match was great. Again, for reference, I got Buff Beige. It was one of the only colors that my Walgreens had left, so I'm like, I'll just try it, make it work, and it works. I'm not gonna wear it for 24 hours because I don't know, that just kind of grosses me out. Like, I wash my makeup off like religiously every night. I don't care how tired I am, makeup comes off because it's absolutely disgusting to me to sleep in makeup. So I'm not gonna give it the full wear test, but I will wear it until like later tonight and I will check in with you guys. I gotta go, I got little creatures knocking on my door.